Schneider offers a robust and comprehensive training program for intermodal drivers. We have a training academy that's based here in Chicago and is set up specifically for our intermodal drivers to make sure that we're giving them all the tools necessary to be successful.
These schools only teach them how to get a CDL. They come to Schneider to learn how to drive a truck. I mean, as far as backing and turning and maneuvering the truck through the city. And if you can drive through Chicago, you can drive anywhere.
You want to make sure that they're prepared well once they're out there so that they can earn to their expectation.
Our Chicago Training Academy is state-of-the-art. It's a new facility that we opened. It's there to support our drivers.
We bring the best out in our students.
When we talk about the Schneider way is the safe way.
A lot of drivers love the fact that safety is our number one core value, and they look for that.
Safety is more than a buzzword here. Safety is the number one core value.
No load is worth the safety of my driver or the motoring public. So we want to make sure that our drivers understand that regardless of what they're doing, safety comes first.
Safety at Schneider is not something that we compromise on ever. I mean, every driver knows that if it's not safe and the driver feels it's not safe, there'll never be a person at Schneider who will ask them to compromise their safety.
There are other companies that you go through the training process and you're kind of thrown to the wolves, whereas we don't do that here. It's a little bit disconcerting to see when drivers are actually just thrown in there, and you see drivers at the rail yard or on the street, they don't have the knowledge that our drivers do. We go through the training academy, and then they bring them up and they'll go with a training engineer for 2 weeks.
I get to be hands-on with new students every day. I get to show them the proper way to do things. I get to show them the industry's highest standard for safety. Not only be a safe driver, but be a successful driver.
They can ask me any question they need.
I just like to teach people to be safe and teach them to do it the Schneider way.
And when they are set on their own, they're actually fully functional drivers and all the questions are answered. And if they require more time, it's a comfortable enough environment where they can ask and they can actually request more training, and that's provided to them.
Drivers want to belong to something. They want to know that their safety is being taken into account.
Safety is something that Schneider lives by. I would never take an unsafe piece of equipment. I would never allow my student to drive unsafely. It is the number one thing, is safety first and always.